What's poppin', squad? This your girl Kaylee with day 26 of Vlogtober, Bosstober. And if you want to know how to get this look, stick around. Okay, so I came in the bathroom so that I can make a less mess in my spot. I'm going to take some more petroleum jelly and put it in the center of my hand. Then I'm going to take the putty, put it in my hand, and just try to mold it as best that I can. Alright, so two main ingredients for putty. That's self-rising flour and petroleum jelly. Based on the mixture that I created, you'll use more petroleum jelly than flour, and you'll just mold it until you get into the consistency that you would need. That'll be kind of easy to spread and mold into whatever you need to mold it to. I'm only going to do a little bit today. Excuse me in my nose, my sinuses are crazy. Then you add some of your favorite foundation or concealer. You're just going to put a little bit in the center and just kind of fold it until it blends. And if it breaks, just put it back. So you'll blend until you get it a nice pigment color that you like. So I'm going to show you a sample of a scar. Let's see if we can get something zombie-like, close to zombie-like. And I'm going to do it on this side of my face. So my face is clean and dry. A piece of my putty from last time. And I'm just going to mold it out and flatten it out. Kind of flatten it out with like a small hump. Maybe I use just a little bit of the new. Take a piece of the new. I'm just gonna put it on top. And also keep your Vaseline handy. I'm just gonna put a little bit and back here, so I have a little bit to work with. I'm gonna put that here. And yes, you guys, I know that it's not the exact same color as my face, but that is something to work with. I'm not a professional. You work with your shading as you're molding and making the putty. So I'm just gonna take this and use the Vaseline to make it stick to my face a little bit, kind of spread it out. You'll blend a little bit to give it a little bit of texture around the edges. You don't want to rub too hard because as you can see it's breaking apart. You'll just kind of mash down firmly and pat. And you can also put it back together. So we'll blend the edges so that it is smooth to the skin, and it doesn't matter that it's a little messy. Here you can clean it up a little bit around the edges before you move on to the second part. It doesn't matter that it is falling apart in the middle here because we're going to make some marks there. We're going to make some marks there to create the illusion of a scab. So I really like to use this CoverGirl Queen powder, face powder, Q420, just to give it a darker hue. There it looks a little bruised, as if it had been there for a while, bruised and healing. And I also have this Fenty 180 that is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so it'll give a nice chocolate wet effect to it. I found a safety pin and just kind of imprinted in to give it a little bit more of an opening. Yeah, we'll leave it there. I'll take some eyeliner and just give it a little bit of a darkness. I'm doing this quick and I am doing this messy, so I'm not taking too much time on detail. I'm just trying to give it a little bit of a dark illusion in certain areas, because I'm going to add some more things on top. I'm going to take a small piece of tissue, a little bit of food coloring, and just make one little drop, and then soak. You can tear away the white pieces or you can leave them there, but I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline on the back of it as well. Get a little bit and stick it inside of the part that is coming apart as best as you can. Alright, and now I'm just going to add some contrast. And this is the fun part when you add other colors, just to kind of give it more contrast, a little bit of redness there. And this is one of my favorites, ColourPop Trim. You know, I found this the other day when I was cleaning up. And this is Notion, it's more purplish. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished look. I'm feeling a little, as I said, I did it quickly, so it feels like it's about to fall, but if you mold properly and blend properly, you won't have any issues, and when you make your incisions, they'll stick firm. But here we are. I was going for like a zombie apocalypse type of look, as if somebody had scratched my face, so I'm running, I'm trying to get away, trying to get away, and this is it. And I know you guys saw it fail. I had to remold because, like I said, it's a little soft. You have to do your flour and petroleum jelly ratio into a good consistency so it doesn't break apart. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like it. What other type of wounds would you like to see? I've done a lip, I've done a bullet wound, I've done something on my elbow and the hand so far, but here is the zombie scar. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. More fun things coming for Halloween, and you guys have a great Monday. Remember, squad, I love you. And tell me how you bossing, how you zombie bossing it.